How to use your camera flash for notifications. Now let's look at settings, which will help you keep on top of your incoming calls and messages. From the settings screen, scroll down until you find accessibility. Tap on it to see a full list of accessibility options. It's worth exploring these to see which accessibility features will make your life easier. For this training, we will just focus on a select few. Now tap on the flash notification to view some more options. Look for a camera flash notification setting and turn this on. Flick the switch so it turns blue. Now when you receive any calls, emails or text messages, the light from your phone's camera will flash. This is handy as often the sounds the phone makes are short and easy to miss. Tap the back arrow at the top of the screen and return to the Advanced Settings menu. And once more to return to the settings screen.